For this video, we'll be taking a look into the new page option. So when we come here to the upper right hand corner and click on new page, we're taken to an area of the website called, you can see create a page and cite Skylar Van Steena's test. This is going to be the new page, and we're going to title it About ABO About Me. Alright, now this is going to also be a web page. However, you can see that there's a variety of different templates that we can choose from. You can choose web page, you can choose announcements. This is kind of like a rolling blog file cabinet where you can update or upload PDFs or other files. You can have a list. This is good for including links for things that you want to organize in a list style fashion, and a start page like a new home page. We're going to choose web page for this one, and we'll just leave it here where it says put page at top level. We'll be changing that in just a little bit, but we'll hit create so that we can see what it looks like to have a new page. Okay, so you can see here that it's creating the page, and this is the new page where it says About Me. So for this page, we'll just say this is a page devoted. We'll say this is a page used to describe who I am. Enjoy. Alright, so this is a page used to describe who I am. Enjoy. Very basic message talking. Then this is a page that we would use to describe, clubs that we're involved in with, or our favorite subject, or trips that we've gone on, so on and so forth. So you can see here that we're brought immediately into the editor. And for now, what we're going to do is click Save. The next thing that we're going to do is you can see that there is a home page now over on the sidebar, and we have the About Me page. So if we click on the home page, we're taken to our home, and if we click on the About Me page, we're taken back to the About Me page. Now what we're going to do is move the About Me page as a subpage within the home page. And the way that we do that is we come here to the More area, and we click here where it says Edit Site Layout. Now you can see that there are a couple options that we can choose from: footer, custom footer, sidebar, horizontal navigation, which we haven't discussed yet, and that will be in this area on the top of the page, and then header. For our purposes now, we're going to be working mostly with the sidebar. So you can see here when we click over, when we pull the option down here, this is what's called navigation. Now on the sidebar, we can include a variety of different areas where we can include many websites, where you can include different web pages, or this is a place where we organize our website. So we click on navigation, and now what we're brought to is a new page that looks like this. Now we want to display the title of that. We want to give it a title so that there's a title that displays over top of home and About Me. And let's name that navigation area as the basic of, or we'll title it as Welcome. Alright, and we want to make sure that title is displayed. Now we want to uncheck this where it says automatically organize my navigation, because we want to be organizing our navigation on our own. Now in this where it says select pages to show, we're going to be, since we've unchecked automatically organize my navigation, we're going to go in and start organizing it on our own. And this will make sense in just a few moments once we start adding our pages. So you can see here that there's a couple different websites, that About Me and Home, and what I think works best is if you go here to where it says recent changes. click recent changes, and we'll see that these are the two web pages that we've just recently created. So we've got our About Me, we're going to add a page, and we've got our home. We'll click on OK for that. So at this point, we want to reorder our pages. So we're going to move home up, and About Me is going to go over to the right. So now home page is the first page that shows, and then a sub-page within the home page is the About Me. You can see here that there's some directional arrows that we can use to move pages within the website, and if we want to delete a page or remove it from showing on the website, we click on Remove. Alright, so we can include a link to the sitemap. We're going to leave recent site activity off for now. So we click on OK, and we can see that there's been a few changes that have been made since we've been editing here in the edit site layout. So we'll click close just so that we can see the final result. So the first thing we have is our home page, which is the page that's our launch page. Then when we click on the arrow here, we can see that there's another page, and that is the About Me. And then if we click on the sitemap page, this is a page that we can show all of the pages that are within the website itself, and so we'll leave that on just for now. All right. So that was an introduction on creating a new page and organizing the new page in the sidebar.